We're out in central PA. I'm going to start with this riff here. I don't really know what's happening on the stream. There might be a tail end of Hendrickson's, starting some March Browns. There might even be a tail end of Granums here. This video won't come out for about 2 weeks though. So we'll probably be heavy in 2 weeks into some sulfurs and March Browns at that time. But I'm going to start here. Look at that stick in the water right there. You know, if I catch a fish right there, a decent sized fish, meaning like 15 or over, he is gonna go right, you know he's gonna, that is like, not Murphy's Law, but that's just the law of averages. He's gonna go down, see that stick and go right for it for cover. But that's probably what'll happen. But, you know what, we'll deal with that later. We'll deal with that later. Let's get down here. And wish we didn't have to deal with the sun, but we do. Okay, although the sun not welcome, because it's probably in the low 50s today. And so we're using a 10'4" G Loomis NRX Plus and this newer Spectrum Sage Spectrum LT reel. And we got a glow bug up top, a Frenchie, and then my wiggle nymph. Just a couple good searching patterns to start off with. I don't see any bug activity. Okay, no bug activity, and so it should be good. Okay, just for the heck of it, I'm going to try some close drifts first. Not even stepping in the water. Not a single hit yet. Okay. Well, there we go. Oh. There he goes. I thought it was a rock. I saw the hit, but there he goes. First fishy of the day. First fishy of the day. Let's see what he's on. What did he take? What did he take? What did he take? I think he's on the blue. I think he's on the blue Perdigon, but I'm not 100% sure. Yes, he is on the blue Perdigon. Blue Perdigon with a silver bead, about a, I think this one's a 16 or an 18, but I think it's a 16. Actually, the hook that I think I used on it was a 102Y, which I think is that European sizing, which is probably a 17. It's a black hook with a micro barb. The silver bead is an inverted bead. Pretty sure it's I think it's a 3/32 or a 7/64. Nice fishy. Nice fishy to start the day. Okay, there you go. Good 14 inches. Nice. Oh, geez, everything's off. That's wonderful. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Beauty, 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 beauty. Go, see you later. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Boy, so tough to see whether it's a fish or not. That was long distance. I'm gonna put him on the reel. Let's see what he's on. My buddy's up there. Go! Well, let's see. Oh, the blue perdigon again. Blue perdigon. This looks like it's a smallmouth. Are you kidding me? This is a smallmouth. Well, it's okay. It's maybe 11-inch smallmouth. Oh. Huh, huh, huh. Well, surprise, surprise, surprise. No other hits since that smallmouth. There he goes. Well, spoke too soon. Go! There you go. Decent fit on the blue perdigon. On the blue, on the blue. Come on up here, swim. It's a decent fishy. It's a decent fishy. Come on, that's it. Swim, 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 swim. Come on over here. Come on over here. Nice fish. Nice big fish. Just keep this line. There you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. Come on. Jeez. Come here. Oh. Woo. Good 15 plus. Nice. Where are you at? There you are, just on the side of your mouth. Okay. Get you out of here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, just about 15. Maybe a smidge more. There you go, buddy. Thank you. Okay. Get this out of here. If you could see, going up to Todd. There you go. Nice one. I just turned the camera on. And there's a diagonal ledge. And he fished, I don't know how he did. But I don't think he fished the bottom end of this pool, so I'm going to fish the bottom end. But we'll watch Todd here, hopefully. What's he on? Let's see. The what? Well, that's not going to be fit. Blue perdigon also. There you go. That's okay. Just let him swim. Let him swim. There you go. Nice one. Now, get on that side. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. This one's on the lively legs, double trouble.
Lively legs?
Double trouble, yeah. Swim, 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 swim. Okay, nice. Good 13 inches or so. Okay. Oh, he tangled me up so bad. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, yes. Maybe close to 14. Yeah. Nice. Okay, guys. So Todd came up about 8 yards. He's gonna go across. I'm about 10 yards up from him. So we're both gonna go across and just pick apart the water. Pick it apart, pick it apart, pick it apart. Ducks. Boom. There he goes. Oh, nice one.
All right.
Yeah. Well, they're all nice. They're all nice. Well, this one's probably a good 15, 16.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah. Right up there. Nice, nice. Oh, he's on the double trouble.
Double trouble.
Do you have any like that?
I don't think so.
Well, stay there. I'll give you one after I get this guy off. Land this guy.
What couple you got on that one already?
This is my second one. I got 2 on the blue and 2 on the double trouble, and then on the smallmouth I got on the blue. And this double trouble I have is my top fly. Okay. Nice, nice fishy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There he goes. Look at that big boy. Oh, geez, look at him get all tangled up. There you go. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Oh, man, here's all tangled up. Okay, hold on. Untangle this. Untangle, untangle, untangle. Oh. You are papoosed in there. Okay. Take a drink, take a drink, take a drink. Okay. Jeez, oh man, he's just killing me. Off, you're off. You're off, you're off, you're off. Get you out of here. Yeah. There you go, there you go. Let's go this way. He's about good 15, not 16. There you go. Face you upstream. See you later, buddy. There he goes. On the double trouble. Again. Wow, way. I'm a believer. I rarely ever even, I think I used it one other time and caught fish on it too, but I never pulled it out and tried it again till today. Double trouble. Swim, 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 buddy, swim. There you go. Nice. Dude, a bird, a bird. Good 13. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Take you out, take you out. Oh, good God. Oh, wow. Everything came out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Hey guys, there's my double trouble. Mostly brown body, wing case with, I guess it's the root beer? Rubber strands, whatever they're called. One of them was torn off the front. I got the yellow legs and a gold bead. So, okay. Nope. There he goes. There he goes. Nice fishy again. Another nice one. On the double trouble. Yeah. Right up in there. On the double trouble. Nice fishies, nice fishies. This one's a good 14, maybe pushing 15. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. That double trouble right there now. Okay. Don't get tangled, don't get tangled. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey guys, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. We'll just go for this fish real quick. I'm not going to set my whole leader up for dry fly. I mean, I am, but if I was going to stay dry fly fishing, I would add another 3 feet of 5X. But I just want to go after this one fish. So I have 5X on here already, and he's 10 yards away from me. So we are going to try to just get him with let's get him with we'll do the dark Hendrickson. We'll do the dark Hendrickson. See if we can get him interested in this. So you use there's the dark Hendrickson. Tweezers, I mean not tweezers, forceps. I got on the forceps right there, holding it. And just, I mean, my whole rig's only 9 foot, but like I said, I'm only going after this one fish because I saw him rise twice. Oh boy, you can probably hear that wind too. So the wind is not going to be my friend, but let's see if we can real quick just get him. Okay. He's right here in front of us, like rod length out. Maybe just in this run here. So let's do it. Oh, that's March Brown. Oh, got him. Ha ha! First cast. First cast. I saw March Brown take off, which is probably what he was taking, and just I threw in there, boom, he came up and nailed it. Oh, geez. He spooked another fish out of here. I saw the other fish go up. That was funny. Well, that was definitely a March Brown. I definitely saw a March Brown take off though. As soon as my fly, the March Brown took off, my fly landed, boom, he took it. Dark Hendrickson. Which he's probably used to seeing them anyhow. He's pretty, I thought he was only 12, 13. He might be around 14. Oh, come on. There you go. Nice. How about that? Okay. Cool. Let me take him out. Okay, guys. Oh, there goes a decent fishy. That looked like that was a sucker. We got rising fish here, and they are rising for caddis, which saddens me because caddis are so hard to imitate. I mean, I catch a lot of caddis on top, but boy, if they were mayflies just get to get a nice drag-free drift. Sometimes all they take is the caddis that are hopping on the water and struggling to get off and get off the surface, and that's the ones. Oh, there's a March Brown. Let's see here. Let me get.
I got my camper van and I was up for a few days and I ran out of battery.
Look at him.
But it was cold last night, so
Boom, right there.
it was.
Come on up and take. There he goes. Ha ha, got him.
All right. Should I video you? You can have 2 angles for on your video.
What's that?
Should I video you now?
Oh. That- That was on a regular tan elk hair caddis.
What size?
This one is just a regular, I think it's just a 16. 16. There you go, guys. Okay. Get him in. Nice fishy. There you go. Nice. Good fat 14-incher. There you go. Okay. Hook her out. Boom. Ah, a little too high. There you go, far over there. There he goes, gotcha. Yeah, way across. That was the one that hit it last time. I got this stick here, this branch, seeing the water, gotta keep him away from that branch. Nice fishy. Oh, nice, they're all nice, they're all nice. Okay, nice. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord. Hey, Todd's in the one up there. Okay. He's a new dry fly fisherman. He only drove dry fly fish 2 times. Bring in a little bit more line. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Got enough. Man, they are not touching the mayflies. There's even a smaller mayfly. I can't see what it is, but right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. But they're just taking the caddis, and like I said, the ones that are struggling on the surface. Let's go. We'll go after that boy right there. Boom. I'm a little short. Oh, he came up underneath of it, nosed it. Boom, that's it. Got him. He crushed it. So addicting. So addicting. He crushed it, man. Nice big fish. Nice fishy. Get him away from that stick. If you see that stick in the water right there. Oh, nice one. Good 15 inches. There you go, nice. Okay, there we go. Look at that boy. Long, long boy. Okay. tell me exactly where oh, geez, the wind blows it right back. There's two of them, huh? Come on, get over. I am just short. Gotta get up closer. You get too much. Boom, that's a little better. I mean, it's so close to me, but the wind's pushing it back. Boom, that's better. There he goes, got him, me too, we got a double. Double trouble. Nice fishy. This was on the caddis just like you have. Well, without a shuck. What? Hey, it worked. Yeah. Nice fish. Good. There you go. This one's a good 15 inches. Nice fishy, nice fishy, nice fishy. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There you go. Look how nice and big he is. Ah. Right there. Oh man, he's 15 plus. Okay guys, I came over here specifically for this fish. Now there's 1, 2, 3 big rocks. He is right this side of the third rock, right up alongside of it though. And I have got to get the perfect cast, the perfect drift. This guy is so... Boom, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Oh, we got him. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. I called that one. That's how you make the first cast count. You gotta make that first cast count. I must have saw him rise 10 times in the past half hour, and I'm like, I'll get up to him, I'll get him. Get into position, then make that first cast count. Ha! Nice. Come right into the net. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, go. Just a regular tan elk hair caddis, size 16. Oh, wowie. Okay, guys, we got another target. He came up about 3 times. And again, he is right up against the rock. Okay. Oh, this wind. It's gonna kill me. I don't know if I can get the cast I want with this wind. I gotta wait till it stops. Okay, so you see those 2 rocks there. One back one's laying on top of the front one. Comes to a little point. Right at that point, one of his mouth's coming out of the water. There he goes. Nice fishy. I mean, he's nice. There he comes up again. Oh, for me to get that drift with this wind, we'll try. I mean, if I put it in above him, the right spot, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Bring it over, right there, right there, right there, right there. There, got him! Ha ha ha! It was just perfect. count. Right up against these rocks. He came up like 4 or 5 times, mouth out of the water. I said, ah. Nah, he just came up real slow and took it.
Oh, just real soft.
Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Just love it. Nice big fishy. There he is, there he is. Just bring him up. Bring in a little bit more line. Nice big fishy. Look at him. Okay. Okay, come on. Oh, jeez, he went under my net. There you go. Gotcha, 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 gotcha. Look at that boy. Fat, wide 16-incher. Look at that boy. Ha ha. I hunted you down. I hunted you down. Gotcha. There's the Alcaracatus tan. And look, he swam out of my net already. Couldn't even show him to you. That's okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, guys, let me show you something, though. What I've been doing. Now, that flies, I dropped it. It's in the water. It's getting washed off. You gotta get the slime off of your fly. You gotta wash it off. Now, oh boy. Pull some of my fly line out. Okay. So, fly's been in the water getting washed off, so there shouldn't be any. Although I do got. Okay. Make sure my line's nice and straight. Okay. So there's the Alcaracatus. So, what I do, all I do is get my paper towel and squeeze it. Okay, fluff it up. Looks nice and fluffy. And then, since I'm not putting a lot of gel on it, I'm going to use the desiccant. Put it in there, shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid. Shake it. Okay. Blow off the white dust. Hey, you're ready to go. We need another target. Okay. There's one down there. Just came up. There's another one. Oh, that's a nice fish. So let's go down. Okay, we'll go down. Boom. Not bad. Oh, there he is. There he is. I was off. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, hey, you got him. Todd's into another one then. Okay, this one's coming down. There he goes. Got him. We got another double.
A double, all right. This is turning into what the last video was.
Yeah.
Should have been between you and I. Wow.
Yeah. This guy, I missed him about 10 minutes ago, and I let him come up and take 1 or 2 naturals, and then went back after him. He whacked it. Another neat, nice big fishy. Nice big fishy. Yeah. There you go. Nice. Long, skinny. 14, 15. Nice. That Alcaracatus right in his mouth. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back to Nymphing. I think Brett's down there. Got one on top again. Or not Brett, Todd. Oh, I see him. The fish just froze down there. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Just a couple casts with the Nymphing rig and we're back into fishies. Okay. Let's see which one he's on. Oh, nice jump. Nice jump. Looked like a rainbow. Well, we're down in the stock section. But the stock and wilds down here. And he is on the blue perdigon. He is on the blue perdigon. He's on a nice big fat rainbow. Okay. Go on, there you go. Oh, get out that. There you go. Good 13-incher fat one. Been eating good. Nice pink. Probably, I don't know if these are holdovers or not, but man, these got nice pink. Beautiful pink fins. Okay, I gotta cast backhand. There was one big splash. I missed one on top, right in front of me.
You have one right here?
There's one big one below you.
Yeah, there's one right here. It's rising right here.
Yeah.
Of course.
There he goes. Got him.
Oh,
There he goes. Oh, he got off. Big rainbow. Just fishing the bubble lines. It's where most of the fish have been feeding in, the bubble lines. Let's see if this guy right in front of us will hit again. There he goes. Right in front of me. Oh, another brookie. Yeah, nice brookie. Wow, fat. Good 10 to 11 inch brookie. Oh. There you go. Pretty cool. Yeah. Fold him. Right in front of me. Oh, okay. We'll go after him instead. Oh. Boom. There's two of them. One right there. There he goes. Got him. Got him. Long distance. Got him. Okay. I think this is another brookie. The first brookie you guys never saw. Yo, another brookie. They're the only ones smart enough to rise. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. See? Put it that way. Yeehaw. Let this go down. This is gonna go down right in, it's right even with me now. Right around there. Right around there. Take it. Oh. Oh dear, here he goes. Just follow the bubble lines. Boom, got him. Oh, missed him. Oh my gosh. There's another one. Got him. Oh, he got off. Ah!
I've heard that before.
Jeez, oh man. Like I missed two, hooked one. They're taking this. Boom, right there. Right down, Don. Take it. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Boom. That's a little bit out further, but he might take it. All you gotta do, there's like, geez, 6 or 7 different white bubble lines here. And you just gotta put it down inside the bubble lines.
You're still on top?
Yeah, I just had 2 come up and crush it and I missed it. Missed both of them. Or they refused it last second. There's one rising right out from this wall, about 20 yards down from me. There's a couple out far, but can't get out to them. Oh, there you go. And throw this guy yet right here in front. No, no, you're fine. There he goes. Got him. Ha ha. Yeah.
What'd he hit?
The March Brown.
A merger.
Yeah, another brookie. All the brookies are rising. I think they're the only things that know what bugs are.
Yeah.
Another brookie. Another decent one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all the brookies are rising. Although I did have 2 look like they were big rainbows, but they were brookies. I don't know. Oh. Hmm. Okay. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There he is out there. Boom. Oh, damn, I didn't even have to go that far. Boom. What are they taking? Oh, got him. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. But that's not what they're going for, but he was just interested enough just to come up and take a taste. This is nice fish. I want to say this is a rainbow. It's a decent sized fish. It can't be another brookie. The last 4 fish we got, I think, were brookies. But this one's big. No, rainbow. Oh, come here, come here, come on up. Come on. Man, he is fighting good, though. He ain't fighting like a recent stock. He maybe a holdover from the fall. Man, there's a big, fat fat. Okay. Okay, there you go, guys. Okay, guys, that is our full day here at Penn's. Okay, we were on Lower Penn's area, and we started around, I guess around 8 o'clock? I mean,
Yeah,
we
that'd
met
be
each
about
other
right.
at 7, maybe 7:30, around there. And it's around probably close to 7 o'clock right now. And so it was probably almost 12 hours of fishing. And we started out in Nymphing. We got, a fair amount of fish in Nymphing. And then tan caddis were coming off. And we had just a ball with tan caddis all afternoon till about 2, 3. Actually, we were going to stop for lunch and walk out to the truck, and we started walking by this big flat pool, and we just saw fish rising. And this is my buddy Todd. He's from Ohio. He's out here for 4 or 5 days, and he's like, "Oh, you want to go back to the truck and eat?" I'm like, "No, I want to go and get that. There's fish rising.
We eat later."
Yeah, we can always eat later, but fish are feeding right now." So we went out and we just had a ball with those, with caddis and trout and a fair amount of big chubs too. Fall fish. And then we changed our position. We came down to this area, and we went back to Nymphing. And no, we started off dry fly fishing. Did you get one up at that real
Yeah,
deep?
I did.
Yeah, you got out
Definitely.
dry fly fishing. I think I might have caught one, and then we went back to Nymphing, and then we went back to dry fly fishing. He went back to Nymphing. I stayed there, and I picked off like four brookies, with a March Brown, like emerger, a comparadun emerger with a shuck on it. And then this last fish I caught was on a crane fly, because there was a bunch of spent crane flies. Then at the end of the day, we actually saw there's a wall behind us right here, and on this wall behind us there is a whole bunch of really, really dark Isonychias, about a size 12, 14, really skinny, and black caddises. And I didn't see any of them flying around, but sometimes you can't see those black ones. And they were about good size 16, 14 black caddis. So it's a pretty splashy rise out there. Probably what they are taking, the black caddis. So either way, we had a ton. I mean, we totaled together. I know I caught about 20 fish. I know he caught probably at least 15. Yeah. And so we caught a bunch of fish. I had a lot of fun. And hey, guys, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And this may be one of my last fishing videos. And hopefully I will have a turkey video with me getting some type of a gobbler. I'm not a trophy hunter, so I'll shoot a jake too, but either a jake or a longbeard. And so hopefully I'll follow this video up with a hunting video, and then we'll get back to fishing again, okay? Okay, guys, thanks a lot. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.